Good afternoon YouTube. 2013 Nissan Altima, 4-cylinder. Customer complaint is shaky engine with a cold start, and once you let it warm up, when it gets the temperature, it drives better. I don't know how better it is. It has a check engine light. They did some port swapping to it, cam or crank or whatever. This is not how it's supposed to be, but we'll take that. That's fine. Let's go to inside the car and scan the vehicle. I did do a quick scan for all modules to see what we're dealing with. Today is a nice weather, so we don't mind some cool breeze. We have 4 codes, 1 ABS and 3 engine. Let's do a report. Nothing ABS. Let's go to the ABS. Passed engine signal. So back here, ABS code is an old code, probably for a dead battery or something. It's an auction car, as usual. Alright, so we have P0014 multi-cylinder misfire, P0011 intake valve timing control bank 1, P0014 exhaust valve timing control bank 1. It's one bank of engine, so I don't know why they changed the cam or crank sensors. Well, let's see if we have a cam crank signal. It's a cold start right now. Yeah, definitely the intake and exhaust valve timings would do a hesitation. Okay, so if it's not working properly, I think, as far as I understand, so it's either retarded or advanced. Of course the timing is going to be off, and we would have a misfire, as what we have right now. Let me shut it off. Okay. These are the possible causes of the 0011. I see that's why they changed the camshaft and the crankshaft. They didn't mess with the intake valve control solenoid. They didn't have no time and chain installation. Actually, that was the same code that I had in my Infinity, which we did have a time and chain installation, and that was the cause of it. Here, this is the possible causes of the P0014, and as you guys see, there's a lot of them are common for the 2 codes. Let me see if there is any procedure to diagnose these. There should be. This is doing it with the council. I want to pull a diagram, see if there is any common feed for both, because you know, to get two codes for both at the same time, I would probably doubt that it would be the component is what's the matter with it. I would think probably electric or something common like electric or oil, bad oil, need an oil change, stuff like that. Okay, so this is, I think, the resistance between 6.7 and 7.7 ohm between terminal 1 and 2, and we can check short to ground. I believe it's the same procedure for the 0014. Yep, same pictures, same procedure. Okay, easiest way to do it. Let's go to under the hood. I want to bring you guys along. This is the intake valve timing control solenoid. Two wires, blue and yellow. Yellow is right here at the engine control module, pin 93. Says control solenoid via valve, and then the other one blue and brown, and the brown control solenoid valve. I think these are ground side controlled. Now this line goes up to also, that's the other one, the blue one, right? It's a common between them. This is a screenshot actually. Let me show you an actual right here. Right here, this one and this one. So it goes right here, 4 and 5, 4 and 5, and it goes up to right here. It says intake valve timing intermediate black control solenoid valve, and goes to pin, says, is that motor, power supply, or meter? I'm not sure, but 4 and 5 previous, zoom in, 4, 5 actually is right here, fuse 39 10 amp, and which is fed by the ECM relay. Alright, the 4 goes to the previous here, number 10 blue. I think it's this one, 10 blue. Yeah, 10 blue to 7 blue, and then 7 blue to 7 blue. Seven goes to 8 on this side, and this should be the last one. 8 goes to pin number 6 at the engine control module, motor power supply. go to the last one. Which pin is this one? Pin 50. Okay, so let's check, see if we have voltage on this blue line, blue wire, and if we don't, let's go check the fuse. Alright, so there's two ways to get to these solenoids. Here's the intake, here's the exhaust, and there's one they call a lock-in or something, and I think this is the one that we saw, the three blue lines that we saw in the diagram. Now basically you had to move this out of the way, this one, and another piece, right? Yes, this right here, the engine mount on the side. You have to remove all of that with the bracket in order to get to them. There's another way actually to get to it, removing the tire, removing the fender liner, but it will be a distance to do anything, so this way is better for me. Here's the blue line, here's the blue line. Let's go check the blue line, see if we have 12 volts. There's it, the blue line, 11.79, 12 volts. Alright, now we need to check the before we check in the command, I want to check the resistance on these solenoids. Checking resistance, 7.6. One, this is the first one. Here's the second one, the exhaust one, 7.6 within spec. Now let's see if I need to get the third one. Yeah, we're still here. The third one also 7.5, so within spec. That doesn't mean that it doesn't have any mechanical issues, so let us set up for a 12 volt supply and see if they operate. The first one, it looks like it's moving freely. Second one, we have a spark, but we have no movement. It is stuck right here. It's not moving. This is the third one. I think this was the intake one. Same thing, look. We have a spark here, but it's not moving. I think I can get them free with a pick or something. Give me a moment.
Solenoid.
Yep. Yeah, it's stuck. There you go. Let me see now.
Now, they got the fucking thing. I want to see if Burdens other place has them, how much. Other than that,
You don't find anything at the local stores. That's what they said. And the owner of the lot doesn't want to go to the dealer to grab two from the dealer, so we're going to leave it like that. I told the guy with the branches what to do to replace them, put everything back. And I mean, I was hoping that I could replace them and get some grafts before I put the engine mount back, but you know, I think it's safe to say that these solenoids are bad right now. Let them replace them. It's on them, not on me, if there is any other problem. But I will get another last shot of the vehicle running after replacing. I don't know if I've heard of this before or not, but that's what they got for the Nissan Altima. The solenoids, both of them, made in Japan. There's some information for you guys. I don't know how much are they. That might be the part number. Yeah, they're gonna replace it, put everything back together, and then we'll take our last shot at it. Here's the Altima going for sale after they replace the solenoids.